This is how to make the corner curve profile opening door in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the line in here, and we can click this one and make the any size of it. Okay, we can make this one. Okay, and after that we can make the line in here. Okay, it's like this, and I will show you about the dimension in here. Okay, it's around 6.6 meter, and for the height it's around 4 meter approximately. Then now we can click and select push it to the behind, just like this, around 400 millimeter in here. Then we can select this 3 line 1 2 3 and select the offset tool, offset it inside. Sorry, we can offset it inside in here around 800 millimeter in here. And now we can select the 2-point arc in here. We can select the 2-point arc in here, over there, in here, and double click, and we can select the line and just make the line in here. And now we can select the 2-point arc again in here and just select end point in here, over there. Now we can make this one and double click this one, and then now we can select the eraser tool in here. Then now we can erase some unnecessary object over there, and then now we can erase the line. Now we can click the surfaces and select the push pull and click and push it until the limit. And then now we can have the corner curve opening doors. Now we can triple click and right click and also make group in here. Then now we can make the profile. We can make our own profile in here. We can use the line in here. We can use the line in here and just select the positioning in here. We can adjust and determine. We can adjust and determine about the profile over there in here. Okay, using the line tools in here until we cut the surfaces over there. Then now we can select the 2-point arc in here and just make it. Okay, then now we can just place and make the curve over there, and make the curve in here, also in here. Then now we can make the curve over there in here. Okay, just like this, we can just adjust the curve corner in here, and also the curve, just a little curve over there in here. We can erase some unnecessary line over there. Then now we can triple click and just click this line 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. We can select the 5 segmented line. Then now we can select the edit, copy and exit from the group, and just edit and paste in place. Now we can get this one, and now we can select the follow me tool in here. We can adjust this one. Okay, and it will be just like this. Okay, we can see about the another side of this curve opening over there in here. And then now we can triple click and just make group and make the wood materials, assign the wood materials over there. And then we can also adjust the wall in here. Okay, and now we can also activate about the shadow. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching.